birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Jessica, get down low. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Blow them out. 2 boyfriends.
Good job. Sophia, how old are you?
I'm 3.
You're 3 years old.
Oh, don't eat the candles. She's eating the candles.
Oh, Sophia, don't eat the candles, puppy. Take the candles out.
You're supposed to suck the end.
No.
That's what I always do.
Bravo, Sophia. Sophia is 3 and Jessica is
14.
14. Wow. And that's Jessica's cupcake. Strawberry and Sophia. Whoa. Holy smokes, Sophia, you're getting it all over your face. Show the cupcake to the camera. What is this? Coconut? Pineapple?
And what do you have, Daddy?
And here's mine. It's a carrot cake
walnut.
with carrot walnut. Wow.
Strawberry.
That's a raspberry.
It's a blackberry.
Blackberry. Don't give it to Sophia. It's very messy. No.
Or just put it in your mouth. What?
You eat it, Jessica.
Okay.
Is it yummy, Sophia, or is it too much for you?
It's hard. The icing.
Yeah, because it came from the fridge. Jessica being silly, Sophia. Wow, that's like ice cream.
What's on the bottom there? Something black.
No, don't.
I think it's the devil's spot.